Welcome to RK Tutorials, Solutions to Engineering Mechanics textbook by S. Timoshenko. In this tutorial, we will discuss problem set 2.4 and problem number 2.49. In figure, weights P and Q are suspended in a vertical plane by using strings 1, 2, 3 arranged as shown in the figure. Find the tension induced in each string if P is equal to 2225 newtons and Q is equal to 4450 newtons. That means the system is arranged like this and P is attached at A and Q is attached on a rope which is passing over the pulley like this. Our interest is to find the tensions in the strings 1, 2, 3. Let us consider the forces acting at A. There are four forces acting at A. The first force, of course, the self weight, that is P. Second force is the force along string 1, which is along the string and it is away from the point, so it is S1. Similarly, the force along 3, which is along the string and it is away from the point. And similarly, the last force, that is S2, acts along the string and it is away from the point. Now, you can transfer, but here you can see, if you consider here this pulley, if you draw the free body diagram here, the force is acts in the downward direction Q, the string force S1, because this entire thing is only one string. This entire thing is only a one string. So if you consider the free body diagram up to this point, the force in string S1 is equal to Q. The same S1 will be maintained here also. Here you can say S1 is equal to Q. Okay. So S1 is equal to Q is equal to 4450. Now let us transfer all these four forces onto a separate XY plane. The first force is P and the next force, it is not S1. Now S1 I replaced with 4450. Next force is S3 and the next force is S2. Now P, S3 and 4450 acts along y-axis or x-axis. Now clearly we can see S2 makes an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. So this angle must be equals to 30. Now solve this problem by resolving all the forces along x-axis and y-axis. P, S3 and 4450 all three acts along axis only. So now P becomes 2225, that is given. So this is 4450. This is S3. Now S2, I want to resolve this. The components of the forces like this. So you can say the horizontal component is, since S2 makes an angle 30 with the horizontal. So the horizontal component is S2 cos 30 and the vertical component is S2 sin 30. Now, let us apply the equilibrium condition sigma Fy is equal to 0. There are only two forces. So, first apply sigma Fy is equal to 0. So, S2 sin 30 is equal to 2225. And you know that sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, or you can say S2 is also equals to 4450. Next, sigma Fx is equal to 0. Two forces acts one direction and one force acts in the other direction. So you can say S3 plus S2 cos 30 is equal to 4450. But you know that S2 is equal to 4450. You can substitute here. Then you get S3 plus 4450 into cos 30 is equal to 4450. And S3 is equal to 4450 minus a simplification. 4450 into cos 30 becomes 3853.81. Hence S3 is equal to 596.2 newtons. Hence the answers are S1 is equal to 4450, S2 is equal to 4450 and S3 is equal to 596.2